Experiencing an email instead of your phone number in iMessage can be inconvenient, especially when you want others to reach you by phone number. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can change your email and contact your Apple ID with your iMessage. Let's get started. Solution 1, check iMessage settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap apps, scroll down and tap messages. Tap send and receive. Check under you can be reached by iMessage at and see if your phone number is listed. If only your email appears, ensure that your phone number is selected under Start New Conversations from, and uncheck your email address from here. If you can't find your phone number here, try the following process. Solution 2, delete and re-add numbers for FaceTime and iMessages. Open Settings, tap Apple ID, tap Sign In and Security. Here you can see the number says unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime. If you even see there is no number at all, try to add one. But if you have the number, tap the number. Tap Removes from Account. Now you need to re-add the number from here. Solution 3, sign out of Apple ID and re-sign in. Go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select Sign Out, wait a few moments, then tap Use your Apple ID for iMessage to sign back in. After that, restart your iPhone to refresh the settings. Once it's back on, open Messages and check if your phone number appears in Send and Receive. Solution 4, update your contact card. Open the Contacts app, tap on My Card, your profile at the top, tap Edit, enter your phone number if it isn't already there. Quickly after that, open Settings and scroll down. Tap Phone. Check that your phone number is correctly displayed under My Number. If it is correct, tap it and enter the correct number. Solution 5, update iOS or reset all settings. Keeping your iPhone's iOS updated can help avoid issues like this. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. If no update is available, go back to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset All Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords but won't delete your data. By following these steps, you should be able to switch from your email to your phone number in iMessage. If this guide helped you, stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips. Still have questions? Please let me know in the comments.